Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add Oberlo to Shopify in 2023. First of all, open up shopify.com in the web browser. After opening the Shopify, search in the search bar Oberlo. Then search for Oberlo in the Shopify App Store. If you can't find the Oberlo app here, you can simply add any dropshipping app. Tap to install any dropshipping in Shopify. Once the app is ready to install, click to install app from the top right corner. Then search here Oberlo.com in a new tab. After that, click on the Join Shopify Now button. It will take you to Shopify. Here you can start making your account in which Oberlo will be added. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.